Worship to me is freedom, complete and total freedom. Worship can look like painting or poetry. Sometimes it looks like suffering. And I think sometimes we forget when we come to Christ that it's not all glitz and glam, but that there are low points, there are valley places, and then there are high places too. Sometimes in our seek and our search we get stuck, but the goal is always forward. The goal is always coming close to Him. He says He's searching for true worshipers to arise.
So I'm grateful for all the years I spent, thankful for all the tears